Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Canva to record yourself while you're doing your tutorials, your workshop, things like that for free. So if you're new to Canva and you're beginners and if you want to learn how to record yourself inside of Canva, this video is for you. But before that, before we go to my computer, thank you so much guys for all your support, and for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave. And if this tutorial find helpful for you, please do share and like this video. Alright, so without any further ado guys, let's go to my computer and let's do this. The first thing that you're gonna do if you want to record yourself inside of Canva is to go to the home page and click this create, or you can just click this video and choose the style or the size of the video that you want. So I'm gonna choose this landscape video. Alright, so now we have a blank template, and the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to the uploads. Okay, here on the left side there's an icon here. Click that upload and you will see you can upload your files and record yourself. Since this tutorial is for recording your video inside of Canva during your tutorial or workshop, we're going to click the record yourself. Okay, click this one, and there are three options here. You want to record by yourself or yourself talking on the video. Do you want to record your voiceover, or if you want to just record your voice and then upload it later, or do you want to use a generate AI voice? Okay, so I have a tutorial on this, how to use a generate AI voice on YouTube. Just watch there. And in this video I'm gonna use the record a talking head, all right, because we're doing a tutorial or workshop, something like that. So I'm gonna click this one and let's wait for a second. Okay, so as you see here guys, on the top right you will see the camera, you'll see the camera on screen, and you'll see the screen. Of course you have to set what kind of camera you are using. So if you don't want to see your face, you want a faceless video, then you can just click this no camera and you'll see there is no camera, only my face with static picture. So I'm gonna go back here. If you are ready here, I click this one, then you can turn off the camera if you don't want to. Okay, you can change this to the left and to the right. You can make this square if you want to. There you go. So if you want to have your skin smoothing, you can retouch your skin by pressing this one. This is the effect. So if you want to do some filters, then you can also click this one and you will see it change for any filters that you want to your video, right? So if you want to use the filters, then you can go ahead and use these filters. All right, so now once you finish, then you just click this record and there's a countdown. And then now you will see me here. I'm talking, and then I'm just gonna say, hi guys, me again, Maria, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Canva to record your tutorial or workshop. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to Canva. Okay, and then once you finish guys, what you're gonna do is just go to click done, and then you're going to save and exit. Okay, let's save and exit, and let's wait for seconds because it's processing and it will come up over here. Alright, so now guys, you see me here already. As after the recording, it will pop up here. Okay, so now you can just resize this video guys if you want to. If you want it to make a little bit bigger, just like that. And then if you want to continue another page for your first recording, what you're gonna do here is just to add the page. Okay, so this is the second recording that you want to do if you want to add more pages on your first for the introduction that you made. So once you click the add page, then we're going back again to uploads and click the recording talking head, and then we're back here. So in this second page, I'm gonna show you guys, if you want to share your screen to your viewers, you go to the settings here, and then you can do the camera and screen. So just click this one and then choose which screen that you want to share. You want to share the Chrome tab, or you want to share your window, or do you want to share your entire screen? Okay, so it depends on which one that you want to share. So for example, I just want to share this Canva homepage. You see the homepage is popping up here, and then I'm just gonna click share. All right, so now after that, once you click the share that you want to share that window, we're going back here, and then we're going to click the record, because if you don't click the record, you cannot record the, the share window that you want to share. So let's click the record here, and then we're gonna get a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then there you go. All right, so here also on the record, you can also add here some if you want to expand this panel recording, just click this one, and then you can add your notes if you want to say something or you don't want to forget. So let's say, for example, remind the viewers for the upcoming events at the end, okay, at the end of this tutorial. Okay, so whatever you want to say at the end of this tutorial, you have a notes here so that you can see the notes while you're doing your tutorial, so that you don't forget to mention them before you end the live or before you end your recording. And you can also do a copy and paste of introduction or explanation that that you cannot memorize or you don't want to forget, so you can just copy here and paste, so that while you're doing your recording, while doing your tutorial, you still can read what you want to say. So after that, guys, then you're gonna do is just to click done. So once you've done, we're going to save again and exit. All right, so the next page that you just created, you will see here on the additional page that you've done. All right, and then if you want to add some background music also, here you see this one over here, add audio. You can just click this one and you can add some music or background music. Okay, just like that. Okay, so if you want this music, you just click this one and you will see it going to pop here. Hi guys. Alright, it's going to pop here at the bottom of your videos. You can just click this one, and here on the top, then you can just adjust the volume. If it is too loud, you can adjust this because you're talking, right? So you don't want to, you don't like your background audio too
here
loud.
I'm talking, and then I'm gonna
so
just
I cannot hear, so I'm just going back and adjust more a little bit, just like that. Let's see.
Canva to record your tutorial.
All right, so you can also add a video if you want to. Then if you, the notes is here also, the duration is here also. So it's all up to you guys. If you want to adjust the duration, if you want to do some notes here, then you can add notes to your design. So there are a lot of things that you can play around with these guys if you want to use Canva to video record for your tutorial and workshop. Alright, so we're done, guys. So that's all for this tutorial, guys. It's very easy, right? As you follow my step-by-step guide on how you can use Canva to record yourself, to record your tutorial. So please let me know, guys, if you have any questions down in the comments, and I'll try to reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel before you leave. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support and for always watching me all the time. So I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.